Imagine this. It's 2005. You've just come back from an amazing vacation. You plug in your digital camera, transfer all of your photos to your computer, and feel proud of your memories. Then disaster strikes. Your hard drive crashes. Everything is gone. No backups, no recovery. Those moments lost forever. Fast forward to today. You take a photo on your phone, and without even thinking, it's backed up to the cloud automatically. You could lose your phone, switch to a new one, or even travel across the world, and your memories are still safe waiting for you. That's the power of the cloud. But what exactly is this mysterious cloud? Is it magic? Is it floating in the sky? Today, we're going to break it down and uncover what the cloud really is, why it matters, and how it changed everything about the way we live and work. Welcome to the IT Express podcast show, the place where technology finally makes sense. I'm your host, Dave Cooper, and each episode I'll help you learn simple, practical computer skills so you can feel confident, capable, and in control of your tech. Whether you're brand new to computers or just want to handle your own basic maintenance, you're in the right place. So hop on board. The IT Express is rolling out. When people hear the cloud, they often imagine something mystical, data floating around in the atmosphere. But here's the truth: the cloud is just someone else's computer. It's a network of servers located in massive data centers around the world. Instead of storing files on your local hard drive, you're storing them on these remote servers, which you access via the internet. So when you upload a photo to Google Photos or you save a document in Microsoft OneDrive, you're using the cloud. In early network diagrams, engineers often use a cloud shaped symbol to represent the complex network of connections that made up the internet or telecom system. The cloud symbol indicated something outside our local network, a simplified way to show that data traveled through an external system without having to draw the details of its inner workings. By the mid 1990s, as web services and distributed computing grew, companies began using the term cloud informally to describe these external resources. The phrase cloud computing was popularized in the mid 2000s. Google CEO Eric Schmidt is often credited with bringing it into the mainstream tech vocabulary around 2006 when he described services delivered over the internet as cloud computing. So, why is the cloud such a big deal? The main reasons are convenience, scalability, cost efficiency, collaboration, reliability and backup, innovation, and security. Convenience. The cloud lets you access your data, apps, and services from any device anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. This is why you can start a document on your computer and then finish it on your phone without having to email files back and forth. Scalability. Businesses can quickly add more storage or computing power without buying new hardware. An example would be a retail store expanding their processing power and storage during the high demands of holiday shopping, and then relaxing their processing power after the shopping season is over. Cost efficiency. Instead of maintaining expensive servers, companies pay for what they use, like a utility bill for electricity or water. Think of it like renting an apartment instead of buying a house. You get flexibility without the upfront cost. Collaboration. Cloud platforms like Google Workspace and Microsoft 365 allow real time collaboration. Multiple people can edit the same document or spreadsheet simultaneously, which is essential for remote work today. Reliability and backup. Cloud providers offer redundancy and disaster recovery. If your laptop dies, your files are still safe. That is why people trust the cloud for photos, documents, and even their entire business operations. Innovation. The cloud powers AI, machine learning, streaming services, and gaming. Without it, platforms like Netflix, Spotify, and Zoom wouldn't exist as we know them. Security. Major cloud providers invest heavily in security, often more than an individual or small business could even afford. While it's not foolproof, it's generally safer than storing everything locally. The cloud isn't just about storage, it powers apps, websites, and even artificial intelligence. There are three main types of cloud services: IaaS, which is infrastructure as a service. This is renting virtual machines and storage. An example would be Amazon Web Services or AWS. PaaS, platform as a service. Tools for developers to build apps without managing the servers. An example, Google App Engine or Microsoft Azure App Services. SaaS, software as a service. Apps you use online without having to install them. Example, Gmail, Dropbox, Zoom, Microsoft 365. So next time you're on Netflix, remember, you're streaming from the cloud. One big question: is the cloud secure? Generally speaking, yes. Cloud providers invest heavily in security. However, it is a shared responsibility. They secure the infrastructure, and you secure your account using strong passwords and two factor authentication. Always avoid public Wi Fi when you are working with sensitive data. Be sure to subscribe to our show so you don't miss the future episode where we cover two factor authentication in great detail. Cloud providers implement multiple layers of security to protect data, applications, and their infrastructure. So, what is the cloud really? It's not magic, it's a global network of servers that make modern life possible, from streaming movies to running businesses. Next time someone says, it's in the cloud, you'll know exactly what that means. Thanks for riding along with me on the IT Express podcast show. If today's episode helped you feel more confident with your computer, be sure to follow the show so you never miss an update. Got a question or a topic you'd like me to cover? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and remember, you got this.